Fiverr is a massive freelancing site where millions of freelancers complete several tasks to get paid. But do you know you can as well earn through Fiverr without being a freelancer? And that's why in today's video, I am going to be teaching you guys all about Fiverr affiliate program. So make sure to stay tuned. The very first thing you want to do is to go to the site affiliate.fiverr.com, as you can see on my screen. And as you can see over here, boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr, promote the leading marketplace for freelance services. So basically, you're getting paid by simply sharing affiliate links of certain sellers to buyers you feel will be interested in such services. It's that easy. And immediately they click on your link and request for that service, you get paid certain commissions of that payment. It's that simple. So all you want to do is to join. As you can see on my screen over here, we have join now. Okay, but before we proceed into that, let me just show you guys more about Fiverr affiliate program. You can choose your commission plan, join as an affiliate, promote Fiverr, start earning whatever one you want to go for. So as you can see, join as an affiliate, it's free to get started, access marketing materials, tools and more. Promote Fiverr, share Fiverr with your target audience, there's a match for every need. Then start earning, and right from the moment your traffic converts. Okay, so immediately someone clicks on your link and pay for something, you get a commission from that. So you can see what can you promote. You can promote Fiverr local maker, Fiverr affiliate, Fiverr itself, Fiverr Pro, whatever services or Fiverr you want to promote, you get paid certain commissions from this promotion. Okay, so you can also see over here Fiverr affiliates benefits: maximum earnings, professional support, intuitive dashboard, creative resources, special promotions, and many more. We're known, we're popular, we're everywhere, we're affordable, we're on any device, and we've got it all. So guys, all you want to do right now is to click on start earning now, or you can just come over here to join now, whatever one you want to go for. But let's just go for join now. It's basically the same thing. Okay, let me go back so you guys can see. So if I scroll down over here and start earning now, it's basically the same thing. Okay, so what you want to do here is to insert your first name. Okay, so I'm just going to insert my first name, and then you want to insert your last name as well. Account type, okay, so it depends on whatever affiliate account you want to create, but basically we're going to go for private. Okay, and then do you have a main source of traffic? Okay, what they mean by this is, do you have like a social media page, or do you have like a website, a place where you can actually attract traffic? Okay, so you can just go for yes if you already have a social media page or something, and then from here you want to insert the URL of that page. And if you don't, you can just click on no. Okay, if you're the type that don't want to stress out. Okay, so you can just click on no, and then you can come over here to country. Okay, so you want to select a country. I'm in Nigeria. Okay, so I'm gonna go for Nigeria. Okay, this is Nigeria over here, and then English and Skype. Okay, all right, so immediately after that you want to click on next. Okay, so I can just click on never over here. So now tell us a little about yourself. Okay, do you want to undergo paid advertisements? You can click on this. Okay, do you want to undergo content sites? Okay, you have a YouTube channel, search engine optimization. Just tell them about yourself, although all this doesn't really matter, but I'm just going to go for YouTube, social media, blogs, offline, that is, you want to just talk with people physically, affiliate networks. Okay, whatever one you want to go for. And then what are your audience key interests? Like I always say, in terms of affiliate marketing, you want to try as much as possible to be specific. When you're specific, you attract more people compared to you being general. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for graphic and design for the sake of today's tutorial, and then you want to click on I agree to all terms and I agree to privacy policies. And if you want to read the terms and conditions, you can as well click on this, as well as the privacy policy. And all you want to do after that is to click on register now. Okay, And now, as you can see, congrats, you're a Fiverr affiliate. We're so glad to have you on board, and we'll do our best to tailor future offers and content to your unique affiliate profile. So, guys, you can see it's that easy. Now, the next thing you want to do over here is to click on Start Doing. Okay, so you want to click on Start Doing. All right, and then you're gonna have to log in again. Okay, so we're just gonna log in with our username and password. Okay, and then log in, right? And then immediately you log in, the next thing you want to do is to, okay, you can just click on never. Okay, now as you can see, guys, you just want to agree to all this. Okay, you want to agree to all this, and you can as well read it. Please note that due to data protection regulation changing within the European Union, we have had to make some changes to our terms and conditions, so you can as well read this. It's very important to read the terms and conditions. Okay, and after that you just want to click on next. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I can just close this. As you can see, this is the dashboard of the Fiverr affiliates. Okay, this is where you have your balance. This is your ID over here. This is your marketing tools, reports, payments, earnings, and earnings report, pixels, commission plans, and the rest. Now, the next thing you want to do immediately you're in here is to come to your account details. You want to insert your account details. Very, very important. Okay, so you can insert your state or city if you really want to do that. All you want to do is to click on edit over here, and then you can just insert your country. I'm just going to click on N. So we have Nigeria over here. My city, I'm going to put Lagos. And then address, you can just leave all these ones. I can still put Lagos over here. Lagos. Just save this. Okay, so let's just go for a full number. Okay, I'm just going to go for this. All right, and then your Telegram, you can just put your name. Okay, and then you can insert your password as well. All right, and we're good. Now, the next thing over here is sources and payment details. This is the most important over here. Payment details, okay? Now we have payment currency. Okay, you want to click on edit over here, okay? And now payment currency, okay? We're going to go for USD over here. Payment method, we're going to go for Pioneer. Account type, you can come for private over here. Okay, if you don't have a Pioneer account, especially for those in Nigeria who don't have a dollar account, okay, so I created a video on how to create a Pioneer account, so I'm going to drop the link in the description. Okay, and then all you want to do is to insert your Pioneer ID. So I'm just going to insert my Pioneer ID as well as my username, and then you can just leave this VAT for now and then just save. Okay, so you want to insert your password again, okay, just for verification. All right, and we're good, guys. So now this is where it all starts. Now the next thing, like we said, is you need to share your link for people to click, and they make payments for certain services before you get the commission. Okay, so now how do you get this link? All you want to do is to go to this point over here, marketing tools. Okay, so now where you have this default and deep links, this is where you want to go. Now this is Fiverr CPA. Okay, if you just want to share this and then immediately someone clicks on it, the person is being taken to Fiverr page. Although it doesn't really have a direction, it's just general. Okay, this is also Fiverr hybrid, Fiverr learn, Fiverr business, sub affiliates. Okay, so this is like you just want to share a link to someone, and immediately the person clicks on it, the person just goes to either Fiverr main page or goes to Fiverr learn, whatever. But now what would actually get you more clicks is by being specific, okay, with your links. Okay, so instead of me just copying this direct link, all I'm gonna do is to come to LP URL over here. Okay, and now I'm gonna go to Fiverr site itself, and then I'm gonna copy a link of whatever service I feel someone needs. Okay, so let's say I feel someone needs this, so I'm just gonna right click, copy the link, bring it over here, paste it over here, and then click LP URL. So as you can see, automatically it generated. Okay, so now I can now copy this particular one and share it out, and now it's going to take the person to the specific page. Okay, just for a test so you guys can see, I'm just going to paste it randomly over here, And then as you can see, it went to the exact page of that person. So this is the way you want to be sharing your links. You don't just want to share the general, okay? And now as you guys can see, the link is very long, okay? It's so long. In order for you to shorten it, in order to make it look more convincing and more attractive, you can go to the site bit.ly.com, or you can just go to shorten URL, okay? And they're gonna, reduce the length of the link, and it's still gonna take you to the same landing page. So guys, it's so easy as you guys can see. For you to see the commissions, you can just go back to the normal Fiverr affiliate program page over here, and then if you scroll down, you're gonna see commissions over here, okay? You can just click on this, and now you can scroll down. So as you guys can see over here, Fiverr CPA, that's cost per action. Okay, we have $15. For Fiverr hybrid over here, $10 CPA plus 10% revenue share. And then this is where you're gonna see all the commissions for the clicks over here. We have $50 industrial and product design, data science, mobile apps, website development. You can see $30 for e-commerce, and the rest we have illustration, gaming, articles, $25. And you can as well search for your plan. So guys, as you can see, Fiverr affiliate program is that easy, very easy. All you want to do is to register for free, and then you just want to select the service you want to do the affiliate for, and you basically just share it out with people that you know already needs the service. It's that easy. There are a lot of people who actually need certain services on Fiverr. Even right now, as I'm creating this video, there are a lot of people going to Fiverr to look for that service. So instead of them just clicking on that service, why not they clicking on your link before they click on that service for you to earn that commission? It's that easy, guys. So yeah, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely have more questions, or you don't really understand something, make sure to drop it down in the comment section, because I am very ready to answer them. And if you haven't subscribed, or you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe, as I'm sure you don't want to miss out on my next informative video. And I will see you guys in my next video.